everyone. My name is Christopher Callahan. I'm a senior sales engineer here at Panasonic. Do you ever wish you had better visibility, management, and control over your Panasonic device? Look no further. Panasonic is thrilled to announce the release of the Panasonic PC Control Suite designed to support your Panasonic computers. So why should you choose the Panasonic PC Control Suite? Real-time visibility to be able to verify, maintain, and configure your device through our intuitive software. It gives you efficiency to save time and money by standardizing image development. And it increases productivity, enabling end users to be more productive and flexible in their jobs. We can download our files directly from our website. The Panasonic PC Control Suite consists of PowerShell commands for BIOS, PC settings, and the ability to update drivers. It also contains the BIOS configurator and the PC hub, as well as our Panasonic integration kit for SCCM and third-party update catalog. First, we're going to talk about the PC hub. The PC hub is our new single pane of glass dashboard to control your Panasonic computers. All right, welcome to the Panasonic PC hub homepage. Our homepage, as you can see on the right side, contains information that is required when an end user calls into the help desk. I have my computer name. I have my model number. I have my serial number. I have the OS version. I have my asset tag information. It contains wireless WAN information, including build, model, and driver versions, along with your mobile number and your IMEI number. It can tell me if I have an expansion pack installed in my device. And you can see where they're located and what their serial numbers are. But the left side is actually where you do all the navigation inside the PC hub. This is where I can go to configure various settings on my device. So on the left side is your tabs that have home, device, apps, system information, and programmable actions. And at the bottom is settings. Welcome to the Panasonic PC BIOS configurator. It is a separate download from the PC hub. And once it's downloaded and installed, it's a simple setup.exe that can be installed on your devices. What this tool does is it works on Panasonic devices to quickly and easily set BIOS settings, including BIOS password, any custom configurations you want to maintain stability and integrity of your Panasonic devices deployed in the field. Once all of this is created, I can create a batch file. I export those settings, and the batch file gets created. Once that batch file is created, I can easily import this into my task sequence and allow me to configure all my devices to look and feel the same. Let's move on to our next exciting tool. Our PowerShell commandlets allow us to configure BIOS and computer settings, install the latest drivers, and perform many more functions, giving IT admins that flexibility to control Panasonic devices that we all want and need. For PowerShell update commandlets, I'm going to show you here. We will talk about the other PowerShell commandlets in further videos where we go more in depth of setting BIOS settings and adjusting the PC hub. But I want to show you the power of our PowerShell commandlets for updating drivers. We all know that keeping our devices up to date and secure is paramount in this day and age. So this allows you to make sure that you have the latest and greatest drivers installed on your devices, therefore keeping up your security posture in your environment. As you saw, I typed in show Panasonic update. We are downloading the catalog, processing the catalog, parsing the XML, and we're looking on your device specifically for updates that it may require. As you can see, it found 3 different drivers that need to be updated on this device that I'm currently using. I can easily install them by just running install-Panasonic update. And last but not least, let's talk about the Panasonic integration kit for enterprise, or the PIK as we affectionately call it. What is the PIK? PIK is an SCCM add-on that allows you to quickly download, install, and replicate driver packages to your SCCM distribution points, ensuring that the correct drivers are installed on all of your Panasonic devices. On this screen, I have my SCCM instance. I have already integrated the Panasonic PIK. All I have to do to leverage it is I go in here to driver packages. I click on the button that says Panasonic PC Integration Kit for Enterprise. It will then launch the Panasonic PIK. If you have a proxy, you can set proxy settings here if you're using the update site or support site. You can also use a local driver library, but this local driver library only supports cab files. It does not support our one-click bundles. I can select my driver sources. So I can select the operating system all the way back to 1703, all the way to Windows 11 24H2. I can select my model for all the devices that support that operating system. So I can also individually come down here and select them as well. But let's say I wanted to run 22H2. I'm going to select a model of the FC40, but I could have also done it up here by selecting the model. I'm going to say the FZ40 Mark II for 22H2. I'm going to select next. Now I can select whether I want emergency notification utility to display a full screen if there's a product safety recall or notice. In this case, I'm going to select no, and I'm going to select next. Now I have to create the UNC paths on my SCCM box to give where these drivers are going to live. In this case, I'm just going to use my NAS server. I'm going to put it in drivers. I'm going to use Toughbook, and then I'm going to select that folder. I'm now going to put where the driver packages go. So I have a different driver packages folder. I'm going to use Toughbook, and then I'm going to select the folder again. Now I am able to select my distribution points. I can select one or multiple. In this case, I'm going to select multiple. But as you can see, I can also select the distribution point groups if I wanted to. I recommend using the add to existing task sequence. So we're going to come down here and we're going to select, I'm going to use 23H2 because I don't have a 21H2 created, but you'll see what happens when I install it. Here's a summary. It tells me my extraction path, my destination path, and my SCCM distribution points that I'm pushing to. And now it's starting to download. It will download, extract, expand, import, then replicate to all your distribution points. And finally, since we added it to our Win11 23H2 prod environment, we will see it populate that driver for the 40 Mark II in our task sequence, which I will show you after this finishes. Once this is complete, you will get a finish here. You'll click finish and close out the Panasonic PIK. Now your devices will be replicated to your distribution points and ready for distribution. You can then go into your task sequence that you imported in, if you have imported it into it, and the WMI calls will be available for that device that you imported, so you know that you're getting the correct drivers on the correct device and only those drivers. Now that we've gone over all of the tools in the Panasonic PC Control Suite, are you as excited as I am to get started? Let's get started today. Enhance your Panasonic device experience with the Panasonic PC Control Suite. Contact your sales engineer or go to our website posted below to see how you can revolutionize your Panasonic device management.